Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 2.8 sums. Find the sum of first n terms of the GP. So, first, what is the first term? A. A equal to 5. How will you find R in GP? T2 by T1. That is, second term is minus 3. So, we can write it as minus 3 by 5 equal to R. So, what formula here we use? So, here R is less than 1. Therefore, we use this formula Sn equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. So, A is 5, bracket of 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole to the power n by 1 minus 3 by 5. So, cross multiply 1 5 is 5. Minus of minus 3 means plus 3. So, 5 plus 3 by 5. So, next step 5 into it will come to the reciprocal. So, 5 by 8. So, you write it inside the bracket whatever this, that is 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole to the power n. So, 5 into 5 25 by 8 bracket of 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole to the power n. This is the answer. Okay. Second sum 256, 64, 16. We have to find the nth term. So here what is A? 256. R is T2 by T1. That is T2 is 64 and T1 is 256. So 64 by 256. Cancel with the 4 table. 1 4 is 4. Remaining 24. 6 4s are 24. Here 6 4s are 24. 4 4s are 16. 1 16 is 16. 4 16s are 24. Therefore, R is 1 by 4. So, here also we use R is less than 1. So, we can use Sn equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. A is 256, substitute bracket of 1 minus 1 by 4 to the whole to the power n by 1 minus 4. Cross multiply here. 1 4 is 4. 4 minus 1 3. 3 by 4. So next step you put the reciprocal 256 into 4 by 3 and inside the bracket whatever it is you write it as such. And 256 into 4 1024 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power n. Therefore, Sn equal to 1024 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power n. Second sum. Find the sum of first 6 terms of GP. 5, 15, 45. Here what is A? A is 5. R T2 by GP means T2 by T1. So 15 by 5. If you cancel, R equal to 3. What is N? N equal to 6. So here R is 3. So we use this formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1. If r is greater than 1, we use this formula by r minus 1. So a is 5, 5 by 2, 3 to the power 6 minus 1. 5 by 2, 3 to the power 6 is 729 minus 1 equals 728. So you cancel with the 2 table. So 3, 6, 4. So 5 into 364, 1820. Therefore, sum of first 6 terms equal to 1820. Third sum, find the first term of the GP whose common ratio 5, that is R. R is 5, whose sum to first 6 terms, that is Sn given. Sn is 46,872. We have to find A. Okay. So first you write it. Common ratio R equal to 5, Sn equal to 46,872. So here also R is greater than 1. So you use this formula Sn equal to A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 equal to Sn. So you substitute Sn value. So A into here 5 to the power 6 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. 5 to the power 6 is what? 5 into 5 into 5 into, write it as 6 times, and 5 5s are 25. Here also you do it, 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. 25 25s are 625 into 25. So 5 25s are 125. So 5 12. 2 25s are 50. 50 plus 12 62. 6 25s are 150. 150 plus 6 156. So 15,625 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 4 equal to 46,872. So next step, A into 15,624 by 4. So this 4 will come to right hand side, multiply. So and after you cancel with the 4 table, 1 4 is 4 here, 3 4s are 12, 9 4s are 36. Here 2 is smaller, so you put it 0 and 6. So 46,872 by this one. After cancel with the 2 table, because last digit is even. So 1 2 is 2, 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. Here also 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Again, here you see, you add the number, it will come 18. 18 means it will divisible by 3. So 6 3s are 18. 5 3s are 15. 1 3 is 3. Here also that same. 7 3s are 21. 24. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 is 3 and 2 3 is 6. Here also 6 plus 5 plus 1 12. So you cancel with the 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 7 3s are 20. And here 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 is smaller, so you put it 0, 12, 4 3s are 12. So 2604 by 217. So 2604 by 270. So how will you cancel? Here we write the quotient. So 120. So here I write the quotient. 217 is 217. So 3, 5 plus 4. So 217. 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 twos are 4. So quotient is 12. So answer is 12. Therefore here A is 12. The first term of GP is 12. Next, fourth sum. Find the sum to infinity of 9 plus 3 plus 1, etc. We have to find the sum to infinity. Infinity means we have to use this formula A by 1 minus R. So first we will find A. What is A? First term 9. R is GP means T2 by T1. Therefore 3 by 9. 1 by 3. So A, for sum of infinity terms, A by 1 minus R. Therefore 9 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Cross multiple 3 minus 1. We will get 2 by 3. Next reciprocal 9 into 3 by 2. 27 by 2. S infinity is 27 by 2. Next sum. 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus etc. Here A is 21, R is 14 by 21, that is 2 by 3. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, that is 21 by 1 minus 2 by 3. Cross multiple 3 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Therefore 21 into 3 by 1, 21 into 3, 63. That is S infinity is 63. Fifth sum, if the first term of an infinite GP is 8 and its sum to infinity is 32 by 3, then find the common ratio. So first term A equal to 8. Sum to infinity, that is S infinity equal to 32 by 3. We have to find out R what. So sum of infinity terms A by 1 minus R. That is the formula, equal to here given 32 by 3. So A, substitute the value 8 by 1 minus R equal to 32 by 3. Cross multiple 1 minus R into 32. So 1 into 32 minus 32R equal to 24. That implies, so that minus 32R will come to the right hand side, means that is 32R. And left hand side already 32 is there. So right hand side 24 will come to the left hand side, means it will come minus 24. So 32 minus 24 equal to 8 equal to 32R. That implies 32R equal to 8. We will change left hand side to right hand side. So 32R equal to 8. So R equal to, so 8 by 32. This 32 will come to the right hand side, it will come divide. So 1 8 is 8, 4 8s are 32. Therefore R equal to 1 by 4. Common ratio is 1 by 4. Remaining sums we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students.